Hello folks, Les with Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Ken, this 959 Custom is yours. I've got the extensions on the front panel, got the panel pushed out so that I can work on the board. I just finished up the clarifier mod, and I've already changed out the LEDs to all blue and got your 3-digit blue LED mounted in there. Okay, haven't done the meter lights yet. I'll get to that here in a minute. This is the first video. More to come. Hey guys, Les here with LesComm. Just wanted to show you guys what I was talking about here with those half barrel connectors and what it looks like before I put the heat shrink on it. You see there, I got the wire from the supply cable, this cable here, coming in the back of the radio, and then I've also got the two wires coming from the radio. This one's the black one, going into the half barrel connector, and then we have the wire from the amplifier coming in from the other side, and I squeeze those together with a pair of pliers and then heat them up and fill it full of solder, so that way you got a sure connection. It's not going to come apart, vibrate apart, or anything like that. And then of course I cover it all up with the heat shrink. I've got the other heat shrink here. Okay, that'll go over that and protect it, and there we go. There's the 10 amp protection diode now. It's got it mounted down on the board. I add a lot of solder to the board to thicken the runs, to make sure that this thing will pop the fuse on the supply line rather than burn up the radio. Okay, there's the 4700 microfarad 25 volt replacement for the 1000 that was there on the input. It acts like a buffer for power. There's the 3325 volt that replaced the 1000 microfarad for the voltage regulator transistor. But wanted to show you guys that, so you can rest assured it's going to have a good solid connection inside the radio. I don't add the bypass caps anymore. Magnum said we don't need them. Said just connect direct to the power wire. Okay. All right. I wanted to show you that. Ken, this is your radio. I'll be back. Ken in Illinois, this radio is yours. Showing you all the cables tied up after got everything installed. Okay, there's the power connection. That's your SX175. I got all the cables to it all tied up. Everything looks nice. There's the 10.7 15 kilohertz IF filter, plus other things that I've done. There's your 4700 microfarad upgraded capacitor, the 3300 microfarad upgraded capacitor, and of course your LC5304 NX. Okay. Putting it back together now, I'll get a shot of the radio all put back together and the operation. So I'll be back. Okay, let's get a shot of the current audio. That's RF power all the way down. Let's see. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. You see it's almost 25 amps. So you got to make sure you got a good stout power supply when you go to use this thing. If you're running it on full power. Okay? Alright, thanks a lot. Okay, Ken in Illinois. This is your DX959. Okay. Hey, switch it back to the bird. And we'll get some power readings on the lower side of channel 38. Cable out of the way. And I've got the RF power turned all the way up. The meter on the left is average. We're reading on that bottom scale there, the 100 watt scale. Okay, the meter on the right is peak. It's on the ×5 position. That's 200, 225, 250. Okay. Audio. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Yeah, you are seeing the lights on my workbench dim. Okay, now we'll turn the RF power all the way down. Still on the lower sideband, channel 38. Audio. Audio. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Okay. Now RF power all the way back up. Switching to AM. We're dead keying about 70 watts. About 150 watts peak. Audio. Audio. Over 250 watts. Okay, I'm going to turn the power down. We're still dead keying about 50 watts. Audio. Audio. That would be a good setting to run on AM. RF power knob all the way down. You'll dead key about 50 watts and it still swings to about 250. Okay. Operation of the radio. To use the squelch scan, make sure that your channel switch selector is off in the channel position. Squelch the radio and flip the switch. Up she goes. Okay, when the squelch opens on something, it'll do this. Okay, when the squelch closes again, it goes back to scanning. Goes down the same way. Squelch closed, it scans away. When a signal opens the squelch, that's what it does. Okay, and back to scanning. All right. Let's turn that. Now, you can't use the channel switch select and squelch scan at the same time. Whichever one you want to use, the other one has to be turned off. To use a channel switch select, you flip that to either the center position or all the way to the right. You'll see that the band letter shows up there. Okay. Right now we're on band C, channel 30. Band C is CB radio, by the way. Okay, that's band D, that's the free band. Band E, we're up in 10 meters. That's 10 meter code right there. Voice starts at 300 and ends at 500. And that is your top frequency right there, 28605. 10 channels above the voice band. Okay, that's your lowest channel, 26695. And we're back in the CB band. Well, let's see, you might want to, well, I'll put it on channel 38, lower sideband, and you can use it that way. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Test audio. Audio testing. All of these radios with these SX175s and the dual final setup, it makes superb sideband radios and terrific AM radios as well. Okay, I think that about sums it up. I certainly hope you enjoy the radio. I certainly enjoyed building it for you. It was my pleasure to build it for you. And that's what the sides look like. I got to put the warranty stickers on there. And you're all set. Okay. Thanks a lot, Ken.